Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube or anywhere else, head over to tamingthetrunk.com, and subscribe for lots and lots of Evernote content. Okay, this week, creating a mermaid bar chart from a CSV spreadsheet. Cool. A few weeks ago, Evernote got Mermaid. It's kind of a little bit like Markdown in a way. It's like a very simple scripting language that you can write text and a chart kind of like appears. I wouldn't say it's the easiest thing in the world to kind of like learn. If you don't use it an awful lot, then I wouldn't spend the time learning how to use it. We can use the Evernote's AI assistant to create charts for us, and I'm going to demo a couple of things. The first one is creating a mermaid bar chart from a CSV file. So I've uploaded my CSV file in here. So it's basically operating system market share for April. Okay. And what I want is a bar chart, but there's like columns in here which I wanted to kind of like ignore. Okay, let's get a mermaid chart sorted. So we type in /mermaid. That's the easiest way to get mermaid going. And we get that appear, and then we can ask the AI assistant. Yeah, baby. So I have a prompt on my other screen. Let me paste it in. You don't want to see me typing. So the prompt says, take a look at the CSV file in the open note and use the data in columns operating system and market share %. Then create me a bar chart. Simples. Let's see what happens. So we click go, and Evernote should look at the CSV sheet, take the information from the CSV file, and create the code for the mermaid thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. We can insert it directly in if you want, but I'm going to copy this, and then I'm just going to replace this text here, the code. And ta-da, we have a bar chart. Let's put it on preview. Ta-da, simple as that. So it's looked at the spreadsheet, taken the data in the spreadsheet, and it's turned it into a bar chart. I think that's pretty useful. Only works with CSV files, not Excel spreadsheets. But a CSV file is basically a text file. It's comma-separated values. So if you can export that from your Excel spreadsheet, export it as a CSV file, you can create a bar chart. Let's do one more. Okay, so let's go Mermaid. What I want to do is create a flowchart from natural language. This is kind of like a demo that I put up on a post on Taming the Trunk a few weeks ago. I'm going to kind of like demo how it works. So I've got to ask the AI assistant. And then what I'm going to do is throw in my quote. Now, I'm not going to read all of this because it's a little bit long, but it says basically, I need to create a mermaid flowchart showing you how an email marketing drip campaign should be designed. At the top, the trigger for the campaign is tag blah, blah, blah. Then the next stage is this, the next stage is this. And then I come to a conditional stage. So the next stage is conditional. If a specific link in email 2 is clicked, then send confirmation email. If it's not clicked, then send a reminder email, blah, blah, blah. And then we go down the branch of the conditions. Anyway. I'll put a link in the description to the original post so you can see the whole of this this prompt. Let's go for it. So basically, I'm asking it to do something in natural language. It's done it. I'm going to copy that mermaid script. I'm going to paste it in there, and let's go to the preview. And there we have trigger, add a drip, introduction email, wait 3 days, send email 2, conditional, condition. Like so. And that's it. You're basically creating a flowchart from natural language, which I think is pretty cool. It's not every day I have to use charts. This isn't something I'm going to be using a lot, but now I can use this in Evernote. It's going to make life a little bit easier and stop me having to open PowerPoint to design flowcharts, which is very, very helpful indeed. Hope this has been useful. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you next week.